Guys, so we got some special buys of the day at Home Depot. So first up, we got the M18 Fuel Gen 2 Mid-Torque Impact Wrench. This is coming with the 5 amp hour starter kit. $189 for this one. Pretty decent deal. This is coming in at 650 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. So pretty good all around impact wrench there. All right, guys, so next up we got the M18 Fuel 2-tool combo kit, which you're also going to get the 4.5-inch grinder. These are all fuel tools, and they're throwing in, I think those are 5 amp hour batteries, charger, and the hard case. $349 for that one. Another pretty decent deal. We got the Ryobi 7.25-inch compound miter saw. This is the tool only, $100 for that. And then over here to the far right, we got the Dewalt 20-volt max barrel grip jigsaw, and this is also going to come with 2 of the 5 amp hour Dewalt batteries. This one's coming in at $199 for the special buy. Now as we scroll down here, we're going to see the M18 Fuel Gen 2 mid-torque half-inch impact wrench again. This one's $209. So same thing as this up here for $189. Both of them have a 5 amp hour battery. But the difference with this one is the 5 amp hour battery is chemical resistant. So this is going to be resistant against exposure to oils, greases, and solvents. So that's why this one's coming in at $209. A little bit more expensive. You're not getting the charger with this deal. So if you're not worried about the chemical resistant battery, definitely a better pickup just to get this set up here for $189, because it's going to come with the 5 amp hour battery, not chemical resistant, but you also get the charger at a nice discount. Next to that, we got the M18 Fuel Gen 3 3/8-inch compact impact. Also comes with the battery and charger for $200. And then for $459, we got the half-inch impact wrench with friction ring. Throwing in the grease gun with this. This is a combo kit. You're also going to get the 5 amp hour resistant battery. So that's the chemical resistant battery we talked about earlier. And then the 2 amp hour battery, charger, and the contractor's bag for $459. All right, guys, I did want to mention, I almost missed this. So with this deal here, it looks like they got a buy one, get one. So get this item for free with a qualifying purchase. So we'll click in here, and these are the qualifying purchases. So pretty expensive stuff here, but if it's something that you're looking for, if you select one of these, pick one of these up, and they got a bunch to choose from here. But if you pick one of those, you actually get this deal for free for $459. That'll be free. So I just want to throw that in here because I did miss that when I was recording this originally. They also got the M12 Fuel straight die grinder. You'll get a battery with that one for $159. Here's the angle grinder again with the 5 amp hour starter kit, $149. Pretty decent deal there. You got the 5-inch random orbit sander, also with the 5 amp hour starter kit for $159. The fuel hacksaw for $159. And then all the way to the right, we got the M18 Fuel Sawzall, $369 for this combo. So you're going to get the Sawzall and you'll get the multi-tool. 2 batteries with this one. And these batteries are going to be the 6 amp hour batteries. So $369 for that one. They also got the M12 underhood light with the battery for $159. Then for M18, they got the Gen 2 Rover light with the 5 amp hour starter kit for $159. Little combo deal here for the M18 Fuel 30-degree nailer. Get your glasses with it for $315. And then all the way to the right, we got the 3/8-inch ratchet with the 4 amp hour starter kit. This is the fuel for M12, also $159. Pretty decent deal there. Next up, we got the M18 4-tool combo kit. So these are not fuel tools, unfortunately. $300 for this. You get the hammer drill, 1/4-inch hex impact driver. You get your sawzall. You do get a light with this one, which is unfortunate. 2 of the 3 amp hour batteries. You get the charger and the bag for $300. Then they got another M18 combo deal for $249. So you get the 1/2-inch hammer drill, 1/4-inch hex impact driver. This one's going to have the angle grinder. That is the fuel, it looks like, which is nice. You get the 2 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery, charger, and the bag for $249. Got the M12 soldering iron for $100. And then we got the Ryobi HP. So this is their high-end 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. It looks like this comes with the stand also for $279. Got the Ryobi router kit. $89 bucks. This comes with the 2 amp hour battery and charger. Got a couple Dewalt deals. Got the compact impact driver with the power stack battery kit for $150. And then here's another Dewalt deal for $349. So you get the 1/2-inch impact wrench kit. So it's going to come with a 5 amp hour battery, the charger, and bag. And then they're also throwing in a 1/2-inch drive deep socket 19-piece set. Total price on that's $350. You also got the M12 fuel 1/2-inch right angle impact wrench with battery for $179. Got some more Ryobi deals. These are the HP. So you'll get the 1/2-inch drill driver, 1/4-inch impact driver, multi-tool, 7 1/4-inch circular saw. They throw in a light with this one, 2 amp hour, 4 amp hour charger, and the bag for $349. Not a bad deal for you Ryobi guys. Next to that, we got some more Milwaukee tools. So here is the M12 5-tool combo kit. So this is $259. You get the drill driver, hex impact, one-handed hacksaw. You get a 3/8-inch ratchet, and then the light. So actually just 4 tools. Only 1 battery with this, so you get 1.5 amp hour battery, the charger, and then the bag for $259. These are not fuel tools. Not too bad for just DIYers. I actually own the M12 3/8-inch ratchet. Had that for a few years now, and it actually works pretty good for what I do. Got a 2-tool combo kit for $109. Not a bad pickup here. Throwing in a 25-piece bit set. Get a couple batteries with this one, so you get 2 of the 1.5 amp hour batteries. Once again, not fuel, but perfectly fine for DIYers for only $109. And then all the way to the right, we got the caulk gun with the 5 amp hour starter kit for $200 bucks. They do have some snow blowers that they threw in the middle here, so if you guys got a lot of snow in your area, you might want to check out these special buys of the day. Pick up a snow blower. They also have some outdoor power equipment, some Ryobi, Milwaukee, some Rigid. And then they do go into some power stations also. And they got a bunch of different combos here. These prices, I usually can find the best prices on Amazon when I am looking for these. Anchor's a really good brand if you guys are looking for something to power your house. If you guys are looking for portability, they do have smaller ones also. But yeah, compare these prices to Amazon's prices if you guys are interested in these, because usually you can find the prices a lot cheaper on Amazon from my experience. Jump into some hand tools and batteries and stuff. So we got some batteries here for Ryobi. So these are the HP batteries, the high performance batteries. Looks like you get 2 4 amp hour and then the 2 amp hour for $129. We got some Milwaukee batteries. So these are the M18. You get 4 of the 6 amp hour batteries for $300 bucks. We got some hand tools here. 3/8-inch and 1/4-inch drive, a ratchet and socket mechanic tool set, $229. Got some ratcheting wrenches for $303. Got the 1/2-inch drive, ratchet and socket mechanic set, 47-piece for $170. Some more wrenches here for $89. We got the Shockwave 1/2-inch drive, 6-point impact socket set. This is a 38-piece for $169. And then we got some heated gear from Milwaukee. So $159 for the Access vest. This is the vest only. And I'm definitely waiting for these to drop in price. I was able to pick up a hoodie. Comes with the battery and everything last year. Clearanced out for like $70. So I'm going to be checking the stores here pretty soon just to see if these hoodies and jackets drop in price. I'll be posting a video on that here shortly. Got some step bits by Milwaukee, concrete bits for $14.47. Some Sawzall blades for $22.20. Got some Milwaukee circular saw blades if you guys are looking for those. And then we got some more Milwaukee hand tools. 1/4-inch drive, 50-piece, $85. 3/8 drive. And then we also got the combination wrench set, 15-piece. These are the ratcheting ones for $190. So that's about it for this one, guys. I just want to do a quick run-through of the special buys of the day. Some decent Milwaukee deals, some power tool deals. If you guys are interested in those, some of these deals we've seen before with the previous sales. Hopefully you found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.